Starting with 200-layer chicks requires careful planning. It's not just about having the birds, it's about creating an environment where they can thrive and produce optimally. Consider space, feeders, drinkers, and ventilation. These elements are crucial for the health and productivity of your flock. Each bird needs about 2 to 3 square feet of indoor space and 8 to 10 square feet outdoors. This ensures they have enough room to move around, reducing stress and promoting natural behaviors. Provide adequate feeders and drinkers to ensure all birds have access. This prevents competition and ensures that all birds get the nutrition and hydration they need. 1 linear foot of feeder space can accommodate 25 chicks. This helps in planning the number of feeders you need to install. For drinkers, provide enough space for all birds to drink simultaneously. Good ventilation is crucial. Without it, the coop can become a breeding ground for diseases. Proper ventilation removes ammonia and moisture, preventing respiratory problems. Ammonia buildup can be particularly harmful, leading to serious health issues. Install fans or design the coop with good airflow. This helps in maintaining a consistent temperature and humidity level, which is vital for the bird's comfort and health. Lastly, plan for waste management. Efficient waste management is essential to keep the environment clean and reduce the risk of disease. Chicken manure can attract pests and create odor. If not managed properly, it can lead to significant problems. Implement a composting system or regular cleaning schedule. Composting not only helps in managing waste but also produces valuable fertilizer for your farm. Regular cleaning ensures a healthy environment for your birds. From hatching to laying, chicks require specific nutrients for optimal growth. Proper nutrition is crucial in the early stages to ensure they develop strong bones, healthy feathers, and robust immune systems. Start with a high-protein starter feed, around 20 to 22% for the first 6 to 8 weeks. This high-protein diet supports rapid growth and development, providing the essential amino acids needed for muscle and tissue formation. Provide feed in chick feeders or on clean trays. Cleanliness is vital to prevent contamination and ensure the chicks are eating healthy, uncontaminated food. Chicks need to eat frequently during the day. Their small stomachs require regular feeding to maintain energy levels and support continuous growth. Ensure a constant supply of fresh water in age-appropriate drinkers. Hydration is just as important as nutrition, and clean water helps prevent diseases and supports overall health. Gradually introduce chick grit at around 2 weeks old. Grit is essential for their digestive system, helping them break down food more efficiently. Grit helps chicks digest their food. It acts as a grinding agent in their gizzards, aiding in the breakdown of feed. Provide grit in a separate feeder. This ensures that chicks have access to it whenever they need it without it mixing with their regular feed. As chicks grow, monitor their weight and adjust feed quantity accordingly. Regular weight checks help you track their growth and make necessary dietary adjustments. Underweight chicks may indicate health issues or inadequate feeding. Addressing these issues promptly can prevent long-term health problems and ensure all chicks thrive. At around 18 weeks, transition your pullets to a layer feed. Layer feed contains 16 to 18% protein and added calcium for strong eggshells. Provide layer feed free choice, meaning it's available at all times. Hens will eat as much as they need. Continue to provide fresh water at all times. Supplement layer feed with oyster shells or limestone for extra calcium, especially during peak laying periods. Offer these supplements in a separate feeder. Monitor egg production and shell quality. Adjust calcium supplements as needed. Soft-shelled eggs indicate a calcium deficiency. Biosecurity is crucial for preventing diseases in your flock. Limit access to your coop and isolate new birds. Only essential personnel should enter the coop area. Foot baths containing a disinfectant solution should be placed at all entrances. Dip your boots in the solution before entering and exiting the coop. Always wear clean clothes and shoes when working with your birds. Avoid visiting other poultry farms as you could unknowingly carry diseases back to your flock. Wash your hands thoroughly with soap and water before and after handling your birds or their feed and water. Section 5. Access Control and Hygiene Protocols. Control access to your coop to prevent wild birds and rodents from entering. Use hardware cloth to seal any openings or gaps in the coop. Keep the coop clean and dry. Remove manure regularly and replace bedding material. A clean environment reduces the risk of disease transmission. Disinfect feeders and drinkers regularly. Use a poultry-safe disinfectant and follow the manufacturer's instructions carefully. Store feed in airtight containers to prevent contamination by rodents or pests. Dispose of old or spoiled feed properly. Section 6. Pest control and quarantine measures. Effective pest control and quarantine measures are essential for maintaining a healthy poultry farm. Implement rodent control measures around your coop to protect your birds and their feed. Rodents can carry diseases and contaminate feed, posing a significant risk to your flock's health. Use traps or baits to control rodent populations. Regularly check and replace them to ensure effectiveness. Quarantine new birds for at least 30 days before introducing them to your existing flock. This period allows you to monitor their health closely. This allows time to identify any potential health issues that could affect your entire flock. Observe quarantined birds for signs of illness, such as lethargy, loss of appetite, or respiratory problems. Early detection is crucial for effective treatment. Contact a veterinarian if you notice any unusual symptoms. Professional advice can help prevent the spread of disease. Maintain separate equipment for quarantined birds to prevent cross-contamination. This includes feeders, waterers, and cleaning tools. Disinfect the quarantine area thoroughly after the birds have been integrated into the main flock. This helps to eliminate any lingering pathogens. Regular health checks for your entire flock are also important. Consistent monitoring can help catch issues early and maintain overall flock health. Proper disposal of waste and dead birds is essential to prevent attracting pests and spreading disease. Always follow local regulations for disposal. A clean and well-maintained coop is the foundation of a healthy poultry farm. Regular cleaning and maintenance can prevent many common health issues. Section 7. Common chicken diseases and treatments. Even with strict biosecurity, chickens can still get sick. Familiarize yourself with common chicken diseases and their symptoms. Infectious bronchitis causes respiratory problems, while coccidiosis affects the digestive system. Newcastle disease is a highly contagious viral disease. Consult a veterinarian for diagnosis and treatment options. Prompt treatment can often prevent the spread of disease and save your flock. Isolate sick birds immediately to prevent further transmission. Provide supportive care, such as electrolytes and warmth, as directed by your veterinarian. Section 8. Vaccination schedule and deworming. Vaccination is crucial for preventing many common chicken diseases. Consult a veterinarian for a vaccination schedule appropriate for your area. Common vaccinations include Marek's disease, Newcastle disease, and infectious bronchitis. Vaccinations are typically administered to chicks or young birds. Regular deworming is also essential for maintaining flock health. Worms can cause weight loss, decreased egg production, and other health issues. Consult your veterinarian for a deworming schedule and appropriate deworming medication. Follow the instructions carefully to ensure effectiveness. Section 9. Vitamin supplements and egg quality. While layer feed provides essential nutrients, vitamin supplements can further enhance flock health and egg quality. Add vitamins to drinking water as directed. Vitamin A is crucial for immune function and egg production. Vitamin D3 aids calcium absorption, while vitamin E acts as an antioxidant. Brewer's yeast is a good source of B vitamins, which can improve feather quality and overall health. Add a small amount to their feed. Remember to monitor your birds for any adverse reactions to supplements. Adjust dosages or discontinue use if necessary. Section 10. Record keeping and observation. Maintain detailed records of your flock's health, feed consumption, egg production, and any treatments administered. This data helps track progress. Regularly observe your birds for signs of illness or unusual behavior. Early detection of health issues can prevent outbreaks and improve treatment outcomes. Note any changes in appetite, water consumption, droppings, or activity levels. These can be early indicators of underlying health problems. By closely monitoring your flock and keeping meticulous records, you can ensure their well-being and maximize their productivity. Section 11. Successful poultry farming, a holistic approach. Managing 200-layer birds requires a holistic approach. Structured feeding, strict biosecurity, and proper health management are interconnected. A balanced diet ensures optimal growth, egg production, and overall health. Biosecurity measures prevent disease outbreaks, safeguarding your investment. Prompt identification and treatment of health issues minimize losses and maintain productivity. Regular observation and record keeping are essential. By implementing these strategies diligently, you can create a thriving and profitable poultry operation. Your dedication will be reflected in healthy birds and abundant eggs.